friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on Netflix. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Netflix app. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will go to Play Store and you will update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.